Setting up Baldur's Gate 3 for low performance can help improve gameplay on less powerful systems. Follow these steps to optimize your settings. Step 1. Access game settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the main menu. Click on Options to access the game settings where you can adjust various performance-related options. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the Options menu, go to the Graphics tab. Lower the resolution and set the graphics quality to low or medium. This will reduce the strain on your system. Step 3. Disable VSync and reduce frame rate. Still in the Graphics tab, turn off VSync to improve frame rates. If available, set the frame rate limit to allow value to enhance performance further. Step 4. Modify advanced graphics options. Look for advanced settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Set these options to their lowest values to minimize resource usage. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. By following these steps, you can optimize Baldur's Gate 3 for low performance, allowing for better gaming experience on less capable hardware. Enjoy your adventure in the Forgotten Realms.